As we all know, our health, including our mental health and well-being, depends on many factors. Family, relationships, work, play, housing, education and money, amongst many. University can be a stressful time in our lives, from prospective students moving away from home for the first time, study, exam pressures, debt worries, and even finding employment following study. With such a broad range of factors affecting our health and well-being, all of us have a role to play in promoting good health. Talking about mental health is becoming normalised, as it should, and we need to continue that momentum. Support from peers, friends, staff and family can make all the difference. We've supported the Time to Change Wales campaign. That aims to increase understanding and encourage people to open up about their mental health problems. The campaign includes encouraging employers to sign the organisational pledge, to help tackle stigma at work, and to help signpost people to specialist support services if they need them. I am really pleased that Cardiff University, as an employer, has embraced that programme and signed the pledge. I encourage you not only to continue your work in supporting the Let's Share campaign, but encourage others to share more about mental health.